Hey everyone, this is Ken from Homebrew Audio, and today I get to do an unboxing of the Zoom Podtrak P4. This is the ultimate podcast recording setup here, and you can do everything on this little unit, including keep your recordings, record 4 mics at a time, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm going to do a complete review, and when I'm done with that, I'll put the link below this video. But for now, let's take a look at what's inside. First of all, it doesn't have any of those annoying little stickers on the side, which I have come to hate. This opens very easily. Okay, and inside here, we've got a list of what comes with it. And one cool thing is that it comes with the batteries included, because it is mobile and you can use batteries with it. And here is the manual telling you how to use it. Here are said batteries. And there it is. Let's take a look at what is in the bag. That is what all the excitement is about. It has 4 XLR microphone inputs, standard microphone inputs. This has its own converters and preamplifiers so that you can get good quality audio in here and use your absolute best quality mics. And it also has tons of other features that I will go over in the review, but just to mention a few of them, as a podcaster, you might want to be doing interviews with people that phone in. And it has a feature on here that allows what's called mix minus, so that the people on the other end of the interview on their phones will not hear feedback when you guys are talking. And it has a way to connect your phone to this unit and run those interviews. When you do that, you do have to sacrifice one of the microphone inputs. So you could have 3 people, you as a host, 2 guests, and somebody on the phone, or you could just do a phone interview, or any combination of those things. There's also these 4 little buttons here that allow you to trigger sounds. There are some onboard sounds. But, you know, if you're doing like a radio show type broadcast and you want music or sound effects or whatever, you can put your own in here. And it also connects to your computer. So you can use it as an audio recording interface, but it records onto SD cards. So you don't really need a computer. But speaking of computers, you can run interviews through any kind of conferencing software as well by using the USB interface on this thing. So if you want to record somebody who's on a Zoom call or Skype or whatever, you can do that by connecting this to your computer, again, using the mix minus functionality. This thing is amazing. And again, I will put a link down below once I finish doing the review.